This is how to play DIKGORO by Kgauhelo Kekana. The original key of the song is the key of E. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to play the song using the key of E and also the key of C sharp. Okay, so without any waste of time, let's jump straight to it. I believe most of you guys are already familiar with the song. So it says, DIKGORO Jesu uyetla, uyetla Jesu uyetla, DIKGORO Jesu uyetla, na 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 ni. Okay, it's quite easy. So we're gonna break it down on the key of E. Okay, so on the key of E, it starts right here on A major. Okay, A major, also known as our number 4 on the major scale of the key of E. Alright, from 4 it goes to 1, also known as E major. From 1 it goes to 5, also known as B major. From 5 it goes to back to 1. Okay, let's play it again. It's 4, 1, 5, 1. Okay, so guys, if you want to learn all these things, the numbering and all those things, you can join our private community. Here's my WhatsApp number up here. Just send me a message on WhatsApp to get more details. The price is 1,500 and it's a one-time payment. Okay, so it's 4, 1, 5, back to 1. Remember, we are still on the key of E. Okay, so just on those chords, we're gonna introduce the bass. When you play 4 on the right, on the left you go to 4. When you go to 1 on the left, you go to 5. This is 5 on the left. Okay, this is known as a slash chord, but I won't be going deep into that. If you want to learn all those things, send me a message on WhatsApp. This is 1/5. Okay, let's do it again. It's 4, 1/5, and then you play 5. Okay, this is 5 on the right and also 5 on the left. Okay, we just call it 5. And then from here, you're gonna play 5 on the left. You're gonna play 5, 4, 3. When you hit 3 on the left, on the right, you go to 1. So this is also known as a slash chord because you are holding 3 on the left and on the right you are holding 1. Okay, let me repeat it again for the last time. It's 4, sorry, 1/5, 5, 4, 1/3. And then you repeat the same thing. 4, 1, 1/5. And then this time you're going to play 6. Okay, this is 6. From 6 you go to 5/7 and then 1. Please pause the video and watch the chords closely. Okay, let me repeat again. It's 6 and then 5/7 and then 1. Okay, let's play it again. 4, 1/5, 5, 4, 1/3. And then 4, sorry, 1/5, and then you go to 6, 5/7, 1. DIKGORO 4, Jesu uyetla, 1/5, uyetla Jesu uyetla, DIKGORO Jesu uyetla, na na ni na na na. Okay, it's very, very easy. So I believe you saw it on the key of E. We're gonna go to the key of C sharp. Okay, so on the key of C sharp, it starts right here. This is our number 4 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, also known as F sharp major chord, but it's an inversion. Okay, it's 4. From 4 it's 1. This is 1. From 1 it goes to 5 and then back to 1. Again, 4, 1, 5, 1. And then on the left, you're going to play 4, 1/5. This is 5 on the left. And then you play 5. And then you go to 4 and 3. 1/3. Still remember that, right? Okay, it's 5, 4, 1/3. And then you repeat the same thing. 4, 1/5. Okay, and then this time you want to play 6, 5/7, 1. Let's repeat it again. 4, 1/5, 5, 4, 1/3, and 4, 1/5, and then 6, 5/7, 1. DIKGORO bulega, Jesu uyetla, Jesu uyetla, DIKGORO bulega, Jesu uyetla.